Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Bini. So today, I'm here again in Forest Camp because I have the beautiful friend. What is your name again?
Angela,
Angela and
Jaylin,
Jerilyn. So how are you today?
I'm fine.
How about you?
Fine.
Ay- So what is your job?
Tempura, street food,
Ah,
street
okay.
food,
So how many months were you working there?
6,
6 months? Oh, okay. And then how much the salary?
6K.
6,000?
Oh,
It's
nice.
big, no?
It's big.
200 a day. And then about you,
5.
5,000.
Yeah.
And then once a month per day off. It's so hard. So your boss is still hiring,
Yeah?
okay? What if you can apply?
Right?
Yeah, you can apply for a job for the tempora sales lady.
Sa December? December.
December. Okay. So how many people for working there? The tempora?
4?
Four ladies?
Yeah, for lady.
Where the place?
Ayongan and Ayongan.
Dili sa Dumaguete? Dili sa Valencia?
Ang uban.
Okay.
Uban. Then kan pagmukha may og sa dire na sa Valencia.
Okay. She tell me guys, she have the both they have a branch in Ayungon and then they have here in Dumaguete. Oh, okay. And then 200 a day. It's good, 200 a day. And then every Sunday for day off.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Nice.
How about you? No, is it every day?
Different day.
Jerilyn guys, they're very pretty. So, and then it's not so hard, right? Yeah. So that is your first time a job is tempura sales lady.
Tempura.
Okay. And then stay in or stay out?
Stay out.
Stay out. So where you live?
Tas Balabag.
I mean, you live your sister or
Wala, gabi siya. Boarding house.
boarding house.
Boarding house.
Ganto, 1,200 the boarding house, guys. How about the water?
Free.
Free? I see. So you mean it's only the house you for room for rent 1,200. It's good.
Nice.
Yeah. Because Sunday is closed every Monday to Friday. Okay. So where you from for live?
Tagbalay, Santa Catalina.
Santa Catalina. Okay. And then how many months you not visit to your family?
1 month?
1 month. So where you celebrate the Christmas?
Some
Your family. Okay. How about you? Where you celebrate the Christmas?
family.
Your family. Okay, good. Because Christmas is once a year. Yeah. So, are you happy now? Because I invited you here in the forest camp.
Yes.
Because
First time.
first time.
Yes.
So you know how to swim, right? Yeah. And then later you more taking picture. How about you, Angela? You like taking picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you good for swim?
Mm.
Good. Because in another lady not have good for swim. Yeah. But I met you in the before in Dumaguete in Quezon Park with your cousin, right?
Yeah.
Oh. So now your cousin, where is your cousin now?
Nara sila. Di siya makuyo.
Oh, stay at home.
Yeah.
Okay. So Angela is what grade your stop?
8.
Grade 8
8.
high school, third year high school?
Second.
Second year high school. Okay. But you continue.
Next year.
Okay. Your stop. But Jerilyn guys still student working student because she like the teacher someday. But you're so hard, right? No day off.
Yeah.
Yeah, no day off, guys. But today I invite to Geraldine to come because she want to experience her in the forest camp. Yeah. So what is your hard life? Your challenges and what is your big challenges in your life?
Parang ako rao sa magpuyo sa boarding house. Walay kauban. Ya, ati ko anad.
Uh,
Parang na nagko din sa banana.
the biggest experience to Angela guys, she not like for alone in the boarding house. So So you mean how many people in the boarding house?
Ako ra din napod sa laing kwarto.
Ah,
Duha
room by room, right? Oh, okay. That is your first time for rent for room for one.
Yeah, first time.
First time. Okay. So you're working the sales lady, the tempura is a lot of customer.
Hmm?
Customer. What time the open?
3,
3 o'clock, and then
4, ay,
3 to
9.
9 evening. Ah, it's long hour. It's a lot customer. Okay. Okay, I will ask both with you together. What is your miss for your before your elementary school? What is your the miss thanks your elementary that time? Geraldine, what is your miss your the elementary that time?
Okay. Kanang si Lola mo ko anak ko.
Your
Mo,
grandma.
mo hatod.
Kanang eskwela pa kag elementary, unsa mo na miss nimo nga? Eskwela kag elementary.
Basta daghan.
You can hold.
Ning kanang daghan kayong mga memories mo sa elementary.
Yeah.
Then,
Unsa mo namingawan?
then kanang magsigig tuon. Then
Practice for
same
the-
practice.
Okay. What else?
Then kadang basta daghan.
Because I have the interview for she's the college.
Sa college.
College and high school is different. Because if you're the college, very focused at
Focus on.
school. And then the high school, the kid will hang out with your friends.
Friend.
Yeah. But college is
Focus.
limit the
sa-
time. So, how about you? Ang sa'yo mo na miss sa imong pagka-elementary that time?
Habang paan, wala ko laag-laag, din sige ako tuon sa, sige ako tuon.
Okay.
Naa si Lula pero may pod.
Oh, so you mean you stay your grandma before?
Oo,
Oh, where's your mother?
Manila.
In Manila. Oh, I see. So how old that time your mother you live in your grandma? Sa pala may edad nga biyaan ka sa mama. 2 years old?
2 years old.
Wow. So pretty. Where's your father?
Nara sa mo.
Still support with you? So how many do you have the sister your family?
Wala ko ibahi igsoon.
Wala igsoon?
Pandra, laki ra. Duha.
Si two sibling. Wow. Same to Geraldine guys is only girl. Yeah. So if the only girl, the family is very supportive.
Yeah. My mother is supportive with me.
Oh, every day for calling
Yeah, everyday calling
and
and
then
updated always.
updated. Okay. So you means your parents no allow the boyfriend like that?
Yeah.
No allowed. How about you?
Wala san.
No allowed?
Si Papa. Wala naman ko kan kay broken family man.
So you mean is broken family is so hard. Okay. So you grew up to your grandmother. So your grandmother is still alive? Patay na siya? So his grandmother guys is dead and then that's why you're working now.
Pero ako andugin na namatay sila din sa papa na nagapuyo.
So your father, you live your father. After you did your mother, after you did your grandmother, you live to your father. So your father is married or not married again? Not married. That's good. And then your mother,
Right? I don't know.
you don't know? Not you not have a contact info? No? No.
Kasi nanay kami.
I think so. They have how many years?
14?
14 years?
Right.
Oh my God. So long, no? I see. What is your biggest experience in your life? Your grandmother is dead, and then your mother, she leave you your grandmother, and then after that your mother now is dead, right? And then Angela, how about your Geraldine, your biggest experience, your life?
in my life.
Your mong kaaging kalisod.
Hmm. Ano?
You're working the nanny. Yeah, just working the nanny, guys, and then not every day, not every Sunday for day
Day
off.
off. Yeah.
So you mean every Sunday is still working?
Yeah. So,
No relaxing? Oh, so hard. But Angela is nice work because Sunday, no
no work.
work.
Lord.
No work.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah. So Geraldine, what do you like to advise to Angela? Angela, what do you like to advise to Geraldine about that?
Mag-uuban na lang nagtrabaho.
Angela guys told me,
I can help you.
yeah, she helped to Geraldine for apply to job to
The tempora.
Tempora because Angela, the boss is hiring. Oh, that's good. But it's not stay in,
Stay out.
stay
Stay
out.
out. But it's okay.
Okay with you?
Um,
Oh,
Kay
okay.
2 raman ang duty.
Oh.
Ay, ayun. 3 ang
Three?
duty then out of 9.
Oh, this means how many hours? Like
Or
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 hours?
7 hours.
It's so short, no? And then no customer, you can sit the chairs.
Oh,
It's
nice.
good, yeah.
I like.
It's good. Geraldine, you meet to Angela now.
Yes.
Yeah. Because Geraldine, guys, she not have a friend in the Dumaguete, right? So that's why I introduced to Geraldine to Angela. So if you back to the school, what course you get?
Paan? Sa ko malimot na. Flight attendant.
Oh wow.
Wow,
So,
nice.
she like the flight attendant.
Because its height is big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you? Teacher only?
Chair only.
Teacher only. But you know,
Because
Geraldine,
I
your
can-
height is good for the flight attendant.
But I like ati chair.
Oh, she like the teacher,
You like
guys.
I can help the kids.
Yeah, she like to help the kids. Especially in the mountain, right? Yeah.
Mm.
So I back with you. If you flight attendance, what is your favorite country?
Like, it's fun. I am ba?
What do you think? Geraldine, what do you like to advise to about what is the country?
Your favorite
Yeah, for the flight attendance.
flight attendant.
The first for the flight attendance.
Ikaw, lasya na dapat nagkaroon sa mukha.
What do you think? Outside the country, only here in the Philippines.
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 I like Philippines.
So you mean is Manila to Dumaguete to
And
Manila?
Manila.
Because you're not like far away to your parents.
Mm-mm.
Why you choose the flight attendant for your course someday?
Ganahan ako kay para kaan ko do maka-experience ko depende sa
She like the flight attendant, guys. She like the experience. Say. So, Angela, okay. If you visit to your family for the Christmas, what gift will you bring to your father?
mga kaan mga
Food. Food, yeah, because very important, guys, is food.
yeah.
How about you? If you visit to your parents the
Foods.
Christmas, food.
Yeah, and
What kind of the food? Spaghetti.
spaghetti, basta daga.
A lot, guys. Rice. Okay, rice. But Christmas, they have a bonus. Bonus, like a gift, guys. If you're working, you have a bonus gift from your boss. Do
I
you
don't
have?
know.
You don't know? How about you? Did you
I think
experience
na. I think na.
that? So thinking, guys, I think they have. Yeah, because Christmas once a year. Yeah, once a year. So your family, they have the what the income your family? What is a job?
Paanda ka nang aras ba?
Mom, papa.
Nas Baol.
In the farm.
The farm.
Same to Geraldine guys.
Same to me.
In the farm. Yeah. Okay. So guys, that is the video today for interview the two ladies. So bye bye.
Bye.
I saw you guys for the ladies for swimming and fashion show. Bye bye. Lain na pong forma. Talikod. Sila ka ubos na kataas man kaday na. No. Na. Gego. Lain lingkod. Sila las Geraldine. Nice kayo kay hayag.